Dr Aishwarya. I'm working in Ernakulam, but I currently stay in Alva. I'm giving my IELTS exam to migrate to UK, and I would like to pursue my career in one of the NHS hospitals in UK. I heard it through my friends, and then I checked the website and found it was very good enough. The website is very user friendly, and it didn't have any hangs or any difficulties or troubles. The IDP IELTS exam environment is very friendly. We have all the staffs are very cheerful, and they are always here to help us whenever we are in trouble, of course. Initially, prior to we enter the IELTS IDP center, we have a sanitizer. We need to scrub that and then wear our mask, without which you cannot enter the premises. And then they check, they have a thermal scan for it, and we need to be within the normal temperature, and we are given gloves, and everything is carried out in a very hygienic way. All the entire premises is very sanitized, and it is disinfected at regular intervals. So I'm very pleased about the rating. On 10, I would give certainly 8 or 9 on 10. It's a very high rate, and I'm very satisfied with the process that has been done. I will certainly suggest, because this is more easier and convenient as compared to the pen and paper examination.